Today we will get to know the names of marine animals and fish that live in fresh water. Look at this. Tilapia is a type of freshwater consumption fish. This fish was introduced from Africa, East Africa to be precise, in 1969, and is now a popular pet fish in freshwater ponds in Indonesia, as well as a pest in every river and lake in Indonesia. Look at this, Utsuramono. This koi fish has three basic skin colors, namely milky white, yellow, red, and orange. In Japanese, this fish has several names such as Shiro Utsuri, white, Hai Utsuri, red, and Ki Utsuri, yellow.
Yes!
Look at this. Clasped lobsters form a family, Nephropody, sometimes also Homeridae, of large marine crustaceans. Lobster is also commonly referred to as crayfish or barong shrimp. Look at this, Shiro Utsuri, just as unique as the Tancho type. The Shiro Utsuri type of koi fish has two different colors from the others, namely dark black and pure white if the breed of the fish is good.
Okay.
Look at this. Koi fish ogon ogon in Japanese means gold. As the name implies, this fish is dominated by solid colors, such as gold. Look at this, freshwater pufferfish. Pufferfish are very interactive and interesting fish. While not the easiest type of fish to keep, the pufferfish is unlike any other fish species in this hobby. Look at this. The curled gill type of goldfish is very unique because it has an inverted gill shape. This aquatic animal can grow up to 10 centimeters as an adult with a striking silver body. Look at this. The Brazilian tortoise, or better known as the red ear slider, is a type of tortoise that originates from Southern America. Look at this, butterfly koi, longfin koi, or dragon carp is a type of ornamental fish which is famous for its elongated fins. The fish is a type of common carp, Cyprinus carpio, which includes many breeds of wild carp as well as domesticated koi, Nishikigoi. Look at this, the white shark, scientific name Carcharodon carcharias, also known as the great white shark, white pointer. Great white shark, or deadly white shark, is a large lamniform shark that occurs in coastal waters across all major ocean surfaces. Look at this, sea turtles are sea turtles that are found in all the world's oceans. Turtles have been around since the end of the Cretaceous or the same age as the dinosaurs. Look at this, the whale shark Rhynchodon typus is the largest fish species in the world. It seems to be enough here. See you in the next video.